Hey guys, this is an HP Officejet 100 mobile printer. It's like a portable printer that has a battery in the back that goes here, and you can print off of it in your car or whatever, wherever you need to go. So with these printers here, and this is what I'm having a problem with right now, is there's gunk inside of the printer. It's pretty dirty. It's actually had a couple thousand pages printed on it, which is very good for this printer. But I need to clean it up. And the first thing it's basically if you're having ink marks on paper that are kind of like from gunk, or just like as if somebody just put ink through it, the first thing you need to do is just kind of look inside, and if this doesn't look too clean, it's about time to clean it up. But it's still good to do this maintenance every once in a while, maybe every couple hundred pages. So the first thing we need to do, I'm going to put some gloves on. We're going to flip the printer over, and we need to remove this like a pad that collects the gunk from the ink. So it's basically excess ink that hardens over time and just becomes pretty hard. But we need to clean it up. So I flipped the printer over so you could see better. Is this unit right here, and there's a clip right here. You can use a screwdriver, a flathead, and just prop it up after you unclip it. So I'm gonna pull this back and lift this up. Oops. So yeah, this is how it comes out. You just pull it up, and this is the mechanism that goes back and forth, and you can see it in here. See how dirty my hands are already? You can see it right there. It's a bit hard to see, but you can see where my glove is. This is where it goes, so it collects excess ink, like I said. So that needs to be cleaned once in a while. And to do that, first thing is just to remove it. So first I'm going to remove this as much as I can, and then I'm going to wash it out. And this is pretty full, so don't take it all the way to this state here. So after we remove as much as we can, we're gonna flush it with some water. So this is just the plastic. You can take it apart by pulling these tabs, but it's not really necessary. I'm just gonna do it. A few clips on this side, and then more over here. Okay, and then we're going to put everything back the way it was. So this goes on first. We're going to clean all of these parts. So this absorber pad is supposed to absorb most of the ink, but I guess it didn't. Just the bottom of it did. So let's go flush these parts with water, clean it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it so you can see how much stuff is coming out of there. gonna use an old toothbrush. Just kind of clean it up. Okay, and this one has a pad in it. So we're gonna run water through it and just kind of flush it, agitate a little bit. But there's definitely lots of old ink in there. So after you clean that up, I also recommend just cleaning inside of the printer. Do not ever spray any solution or water inside the printer. Just spray some on the paper towel and clean it up like that. And just press down on the pad like I'm doing so right now. That'll push some ink out of the pad on the bottom there, where we saw some ink being stuck in there. So these pads can come out like so to clean them up. There's more pads on the bottom of this also. I'm not sure if it's glued, but I think it's supposed to come out. I just never pulled one out. I'm going to use this tool here. See if I can just pull the pad out. Yep, just comes right out. Remove that. You can do that in the beginning, but in my case, I was just showing you how you can't see everything at the like right away. So now this plastic looks pretty clean now. All the ink gunk is dissolved with water and out of there. So I think it's ready to go. It's all. So this is the one that I pulled out of the out of here, and I'm going to just kind of press on it and clean it up more until like black water stops coming out of it. Can't get it like 100%. I mean, you can, but it might be just time consuming. For me, this is good enough. It's ready to soak up more ink in it. So I'm going to let it dry. And then we're going to put the absorber pad back together. So now that we've cleaned this up, like I said, I'm going to let it dry, but just to show you guys, we're just going to put it back together. So the black side goes up. Then we put this one here. Then we cover this. Make sure all of these are on the outside. Just clamp it in like this here. And our absorber is ready to be used again. You can always go in here and just go in here and clean parts like here. You can clean it up with some like cotton, a Q-tip, and just after you're all done with that, just gonna put this back. There we go. So now we have a cleaner printer. Something to do every time, every about 200-300 pages on mobile printers. thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and have a wonderful day.